It's like a bomb went off in the rendering tab, and now all the options are scattered everywhere. You have bits here, 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 and here, and probably other places too. So I did something about it. Let's zoom in. Now check this out. After 4 years, the render button is back. If you are not a Blender user and are confused why they basically removes the export button, I'm just as confused. How do we render then? Hotkeys or menu digging? Alright, so this is a free add-on that I'm creating.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
Same options as before, but much better organized. A pinch of UI UX design, sprinkle some extra features, and done. But we will come back to it a bit later for more info. For now, here is what it can do in 30 seconds. This is the top menu. You can always switch between the default and simple layouts, so you can still follow tutorials, for example. The top menu is visible in both layouts. You use this to toggle between 3 modes: collapsed, partial, and full. It can render images, animations, audio. Viewport render images and animations. View rendered image and animation. Preview animation. This viewport renders the animation and shows the result directly. Down here are all the options. They change depending on what you select from the top menu. Main options for quick renders, all the other main options, render specific options, and the rest. Good. That's it. So, what's up with this add-on? Well, this is the first release of my free add-on, Artman's Blender, that aims to improve Blender's UI UX and add extra features. It's also the first add-on I release into the wild. Each release will focus on a certain part of Blender, like animation, shading, modeling, etc. For this release, 0.1, I'm improving the rendering tab. It's a humble start, I know, but there's a lot of cool stuff coming in the future. I also want to implement at least one bigger feature per release. For this one is that top menu, and preview animation will be great. One click to preview, so it should be like caching your animation. But I still have to work more. I need to populate all these panels with a ton of options in an intuitive way, then some back-end stuff to make it as reliable as possible, and more. So it's not available yet, but it will be soon. It will be free, probably on Gumroad, maybe on GitHub later. I will share updates on Twitter, X, and whatever else too. Tweet me at Artman himself and send memes. Also, consider following me there, cause now I only have 4 followers, all bots, and it feels weird. Help. One more thing, why Artman's Blender? Well, I'm Artman, but if we are using Blender, aren't we all Artman here? It's your add-on too. Alright, that's enough. Also, would you like to see a video about how I actually coded it? A breakdown of the actual code, explaining some concepts used, and more. It could be quite an interesting video. Raise your hands in the comments if it sounds good to you. That's it. Subscribe, like, share, all that. It helps a lot. Since you made it to the end, thank you. It's cool to have you here. You can drop a comment that contains the bot emoji, so I know you watch the entire thing. And I would love to hear your thoughts. Bye. See ya.